Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Montezuma's Butternutter. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box packaging is a Montezuma's milk chocolate bar. It is the Butternutter, which is a 35% cocoa milk chocolate bar with a peanut butter truffle center. And the box packaging is 100% recyclable. And now taking a look at the back of the box packaging, there's some product information or literature about the Butternutter, as well as list of ingredients and nutritional information. And now let's go ahead and open up this 90-gram bar of Butternutter milk chocolate with a truffle-filled center. So we open up the box by, of course, or maybe tearing apart the top flap. And taking a look directly inside, we can see that there is some further packaging. And just setting the box on the right hand side of the frame. And you can see that the Montezuma's Butternutter is in a fresh seal pack, which is recyclable. And this is, of course, a 90-gram bar of chocolate, milk chocolate, 35% cocoa. Just going to set the bar in the middle of the frame so you can have a nice clear look at the bar before I start opening the packet up. Okay, so now taking a closer up look at this packaged bar of chocolate. And now let's open the packet up by, of course, tearing down that strip and spreading open the packet to reveal the Montezuma's Butternutter chocolate bar. So you can see that nice milk chocolatey color consisting of 35% cocoa, and you can see the sections on the smooth side of the chocolate bar. And now I'm going to flip the bar over, and you can see there is some Crown logo on each of the pieces of this bar of chocolate. So giving you a look right there at the entire chocolate bar. And now taking a much closer up look. So they are rectangular pieces, 12 pieces in total, as you can see there. Two lengths of 6 bars, or 6 sections, or 6 pieces each. And now taking another closer up look at the very fine detail of this Montezuma's Butternutter chocolate bar. Okay, and now just giving you a look right here of the side of this chocolate bar, just to show you how thick this bar is. And you can see that nice, consistent, smooth finish right round the bar, and coloring as well to all of the 12 pieces. And just giving you an idea of the size of this 90-gram bar of chocolate, resting it in the palm of my hand right there. And right there Just one more look. And now I'm going to snap a piece off. I'm going to snap the top piece here, or top two pieces, and give you a look at the cross section of this bar of truffle filled center with the peanut butter. And of course, we've not broken into one of the pieces yet, just giving you a look as to the section piece right there. And now I'm going to set the bigger piece down. And now we're going to break it off further. And just taking a look at the sides of this piece, or these two pieces, and setting one piece down. And now I'm going to break this apart so we can see into the middle truffle filled center. So it has a peanut butter truffle filled center right there. You can see slightly different coloring and coarseness or fineness right there into the cross section of this piece. So now I'm going to taste it. So it does have a very consistently smooth finish, very, very creamy. And even the center, the truffle filled peanut butter center, has a nice and smooth finish, and you can see just how melty the peanut butter or chocolate bar is. You can see my fingers all covered in the 35% cocoa chocolate. I'm going to pop this entire piece in my mouth now and give it a proper taste. It's so smooth and creamy, very consistent. Like, there's very, very fine differentiation between, or nearly no differentiation in terms of texture between the main body or covering of the milk chocolate and the peanut butter truffle center. So just giving you one more look at the entire piece, and it is really melting all over now. As I handle it, you can see my fingerprints all over it. So let's break one more piece, give it one more taste, and you can see just how soft this bar of chocolate is. And just giving you one more look right there. So nice and smooth, very, very smooth and creamy, and of course, very, very delicious. So that's the Montezuma's Butternutter. Thanks for watching and happy eating!